I've selected star from the customers table, and you can see it's returned all the information we have about our customers. But I actually want to count the number of customers that we have in this table. And to do that, I can use the count aggregate function. So on the new line, type select and then write count. And then we want to open a pair of brackets, and within the brackets put star. So we're counting star from customers. And end with a semicolon, and we can just run that. And you can see it's returned a value of 120. So we have 120 rows in our customers table, so we have 120 customers. We can also count on a column, so let's count last name. And you can see it returns 120 again, but now let's try and count first name. And you can see it's just returned 114. And this is because it's not counting null values. So first name, we have some null values because we didn't set the not null constraint. So we have 6 null values, so it's just returned a value of 114 when it's counting the first name. So be careful of that. And we can also add where clauses when we're using aggregate functions. So let's select count star again from customers, but let's add a where clause. Let's add where last name equals Smith. And you can see we have 6 Smiths in our table. And let's try a second where clause where first name is null. So where first name is null, and you can see it returns 6 again. So we have 6 customers who didn't provide us with a first name. So that proves the 120 and 114 we saw earlier. Count does not include null values when you're counting on a